Welcome to Women Leaders in Cybersecurity. I'm Judy Germano, our conference chair, and I founded Women Leaders in Cybersecurity here at NYU in 2016. And for 9 years, we've been bringing together amazing people, women experts in cybersecurity. The way that it started was sitting through a lot of conferences that, respectfully, wonderful men, but all men on a panel. And people would say to me, well, I'm sorry, but there just aren't women in cybersecurity. And I said, of course there are. You just need to look a little harder. And this morning driving in, I was thinking, well, thankfully we don't still need to do that. Except I had the pleasure of speaking with one of our conference participants who mentioned, yes, actually we do still need to bring up this issue. And the wonderful thing is that there are people of all genders doing great work in cybersecurity. We want to focus on giving a platform to voices, some of whom are often in speaker circuits and some who are less so, but really focusing on the substance of amazing people who are really experts in the field. We're bringing from government, from industry, from corporate boards, and their advisors. And our audience is really exciting and wonderful. We have more than 400 people, participants enrolled for today. This is our hybrid combination of in-person and online. So welcome to our friends by Zoom, as well as all of you in the room today. Traditionally, we're doing this in person, and then since COVID, we haven't been convened in person since December of 2019. So it's fun to have you all back here. Thank you. And our conference, I had a question last night of how do we pick the topics? And I said, basically, it's just, what do I think are really cool things that we should be talking about with very interesting experts who are leading on these issues? And there come questions from students, from clients, from others in the field. So today, picking some very front-of-mind areas, we will talk about the new regulations from the SEC and from the New York Department of Financial Services, as well as both risk and opportunity with artificial intelligence and how we should be thinking about AI governance and related issues, opportunities and oversight responsibilities for corporate directors and what roles of board members have in their oversight duties, as well as people who are advising those board members or reporting to those board members, and so how to have productive conversations. And then our last panel of the day will be on career development and evolving your career at all different levels. We have an audience full of students and professionals from law, professionals from business, and people who are thinking about mid-career change, people who may be thinking about a board position, or just considering, is this a field I want to be in? So it's an opportunity for all of you to share thoughts and questions. We are offering 3.5 CLE credits for the programming. So periodically through the day, there will be announcements of the magic code that you have to write down. And we have a microphone in the back of the room for questions. There's also, I believe, an ability to ask questions online that will hopefully get filtered to be incorporated into the conversation today. And welcome. So for our first panel on cybersecurity regulations, we have an amazing lineup. A moderator from a law firm focusing on these issues, a former cyber advisor to 2 United States presidents who advises board members or corporate boards, organizations, government, and then also speakers from government, from the SEC and the New York Department of Financial Services. So really top people on these issues. To talk to you about cybersecurity regulation, I introduce our first panel.